Hello, and welcome. In this video, we'll explore how FortiAnalyzer stays current by using updated threat intelligence to rescan logs for indicators of compromise. When it comes to threat feed aggregation and enrichment, FortiAnalyzer's primary intelligence source is FortiGuard Labs, our commercial threat research organization, which maintains threat sharing agreements with over 200 global programs and organizations, including government CERTs, ISPs, strategic vendors, and industry alliances to deliver an IOC package of roughly 500,000 indicators with further daily updates. That package synchronizes automatically to this instance with no manual curation. To see these updates, I'm going to open the Indicators of Compromise tab in FortiView under Threats. From here, I can click the Rescan icon in the corner. This shows a window where I can configure the rescan feature and get details about updates that have been downloaded. Here we can see that right when it pulls down the IOC update package, it will then rescan all of the logs active in the analytics database against the new and updated IOC entries. In the rescan tasks table, we can see where it has pulled down updates recently with over 4,000 or sometimes over 5,000 updated block list entries. Then we can also see that it has not recently discovered any threats during that rescan process specifically. To see the full enrichment, when FortiAnalyzer has detected an IOC, I can close this slide-out window and we'll simply drill down on the first item listed here. We'll get more details, such as the indicator itself under Detect Pattern, as well as what type of threat and other details like how it was detected. Here was either web filter logs or even just traffic logs. If I click the specific entry, I get even more information about the indicator itself. For full details, I can click the link to open our FortiGuard IOC portal directly on the subject indicator. Here I can dig into even more details tracked by our FortiGuard Labs team for full information.